Let us take one question, that is find the distance between the 2 points. We have to find the distance between 2 points. They given 2 points. So already we know the distance formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. By using that formula, we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Now we'll take this point. I will mention it as a 1 comma 2. I will take the first point as x1 comma y1. This is x1 comma y1. And I will take second point as b 3 comma 4. I will take this as x2 comma y2. Otherwise, first point you can take, second point you can take as x1 comma y1. First point you can take as x2 comma y2. Both are same, no change at all. Now let us find the distance between these 2 points A and B, that is AB. That is the formula you know, that is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Otherwise, if I write x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, both are same only, no change at all. You can write x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square also. Now this is equal to, let us substitute the values. Here x1 is 1, y1 is 2, x2 is 3, y2 is 4. Now x2 minus x1, x2 is here 3 minus x1 is nothing but here 1 whole square plus y2 is here 4 minus y1 is here 2 whole square. Now this is under root of 3 minus 1, 2 square is nothing but 4 plus 4 minus 2 square, that is also 2 square is 4. So this is 4 plus 4, this is what? 8. So AB here I am getting as 8. You can write in a simplest form, AB is equal to 4 to the 8, that is 2 root 2. 8 can be written as 4 into 2, square root of 4 is 2 into root 2. So AB is 2 root 2 units I can write. Okay. So since it is a distance, if we keep 2 root 2, otherwise you can write units, 2 root 2 unit. This is the distance between 2 points A and B. Now let us start the exercise 7.1. In that one, first main, find the distance between the following pair of points. We have to find the distance between those pair of points. So let us solve the first one. I will take these 2 points. First point I will take as P2 comma 3. I will take this as x1 comma y1. And second point, that is Q. That is what? 4 comma 1. I will take this as 4 comma 1. This as x2 comma y2. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 points, that is PQ. PQ is equal to under root of, first you write the formula first. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now you substitute the value. Now this is equal to under root of x2 is here 4, x1 is here 2. That is 4 minus 2 square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is here 1, y1 is 3. 1 minus 3 square. Now this is equals to under root of 4 minus 2, that is 2. 2 square, it is 4 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2. Minus 2 square, it is also 4. Again same, 4 plus 4, that is root of 8. So root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2 units. 2 root 2 units. This is what? PQ. Second question. I will take the first point as A minus 5 comma 7 x1 comma y1. Second point as B minus 1 comma 3. I will take that as x2 comma y2. We have to find the distance between 2 points A and B. First you write the formula. AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now this is equals to under root of, substitute the values, x2 minus x1. x2 is here minus 1, minus 1. Now minus x1. x1 is here what? Minus 5. So minus into minus, plus 5 square, plus y2 minus y1 square. y2 is here 3, y1 is 7. y2 is here 3 minus y1. y1 is 7. 7 square. Now this is equals to under root of minus 1 plus 5. 4 square. 4 square is 16 plus 3 minus 7, that is minus 4. Minus 4 square, that is also 16. Now this is equal to, this is how much? 32. Am I right? AB is equal to 32. So this can be written as 16 twos are. 16 twos are. Now this is equal to root of 16 is 4 root 2 units. 4 root 2 units. That is a distance between 2 points. Now the third one. Third one is equal to, third one, I will take this as a P. P A comma B. x1 comma y1. Next second point Q. Minus A comma minus B. Now this is x2 comma y2. Now write the formula. PQ is equal to, PQ is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now this is equals to under root of, substitute the values. Here x2 is here minus a minus x1 is there, x1 is a square plus y2 square, y2 is here minus b minus y1 is here b square. Now this is equal to root of minus a, that is minus 2a square plus minus b that is minus 2b square. Now this is equals to under root of minus 2 square is 4a square plus minus 2 square, that is 4b square. Okay. Now here you can take 4 common. 4 you take outside, inside a square plus b square. A square plus b square, that is equal to, that is PQ. Now square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Root of a square plus b square. A square plus b square units I can write. Okay. PQ is 2 root of a square plus b square. Now let us discuss the second main in the exercise. The question is, find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between two towns A and B discussed in the section 7.2? So go through the 7.2. That is the distance formula derived. There are two towns they given A and B. So A and B they given the points. So let us take them as 7.2. Page number 156. Point A is 4, 0 and point B is 6, 0. We have to find the distance between them. Okay. I will leave them those 2 points to you. I will solve for this one, that is 0, 0, 36, 15. We have to find the distance between these two. 0, 0, 36, 15. Now I will take the first point as A 0, 0. This is x1, y1. Second point B 36, 15. This I will take as x2, y2. Now apply the distance formula. AB is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is equal to under root of, substitute the values. So here x2 is 36 minus x1 is 0 square plus y2 is here what? 15 minus 0 square. Now this is equal to 36 square. 36 square it is nothing but 36 into 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 3 is 18 plus 18, that is 20, 32, 32, that is 35. 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 3, that is 2. 1 2 5 6, once again 6 6 are 36. 18 plus 18, 36 plus 3, 39 it is, that is 1296. 1296. Then 15 square, that is 225. 1296 plus 225. 6 plus 5, 11, 12, 5, 1. 1521. This is root of 1521. So this is what? AB. So now here AB is equal to, now this is 31 units. This is what? AB is 31 units. So another is also given, that is A and B are towns, A and B. You take those 2 points, then you can find the distance AB.